My name is Neema Bukulu. I'm from Uganda and I'm studying Bachelor of Nursing. One of the reasons I decided to study nursing is because of the clinical experience I'm able to acquire, the support system that helps me reach my goals and where I want to be. I've been able to get practical experience that I'll be able to incorporate when I go on clinical placement. For example, taking blood pressure, giving injections, pulse rate. These are all incorporated into vital signs of a patient that enable us to take care of our patient and make sure they're in good, perfect condition. I like that nursing helps me develop critical thinking and continuing professional development skills that enable me to be able to reflect and adapt to different challenging situations in and out of clinical practice. For any new international students looking to study here, my advice would be to go for it. Meet different students who have probably gone through the same experience as you.